Many people think an Airbus plane is any massive plane, but that's wrong. Truth is, both Airbus and Boeing make small and big planes, and these are just brands producing planes, which means size doesn't depend on the brand. Some people think Airbus pilots just press buttons, while Boeing pilots fly manually. Not exactly. It's just that Airbus uses more automation. Some even say Airbus is safer or Boeing crashes more. Nope, both meet the strictest safety standards worldwide. Which other misconception do you have about these planes?